Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Code Niche. Today, I've got something really interesting for you, an introduction to sentiment analysis. Ever wondered how machines can understand if a review is positive, negative, or neutral? In this simple presentation, I'll walk you through the basics of how sentiment analysis works, why it's important, and how it's used in the real world. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about AI, this is the video for you. Let's dive in and explore. All right, let's start by understanding what sentiment analysis is all about. Sentiment analysis, also known as opinion mining or emotion AI, is a field within natural language processing, or NLP for short. What it does is analyze text to identify and extract subjective information, like opinions, attitudes, and emotions. Essentially, it's all about understanding how people feel based on what they write. Whether it's a product review, a tweet, or a blog post, sentiment analysis can help determine if the tone is positive, negative, or neutral. This makes it super useful for businesses, social media monitoring, and even understanding customer feedback. Now let's take a look at where sentiment analysis is used. There are so many practical applications. For example, businesses use it to analyze customer reviews and feedback, helping them understand what people like or dislike about their products. It's also used in social media monitoring to track public opinion on topics, brands, or events. Another application is in customer support, where it helps companies prioritize issues based on the emotions expressed in messages. And of course, sentiment analysis is used in market research and even politics to gauge public sentiment on various issues. As you can see, this technology is a powerful tool for understanding people's opinions and emotions. Many big companies are already using sentiment analysis to their advantage. For example, Facebook and Twitter use it to monitor user interactions and detect trends in public opinion. Google applies sentiment analysis in its reviews to help businesses understand customer feedback better. And Zomato uses it to analyze restaurant reviews, helping diners find the best spots based on positive feedback. These companies leverage sentiment analysis to make smarter decisions, improve customer experiences, and stay ahead of the competition. And that wraps up our quick look at sentiment analysis, an essential tool for understanding emotions and opinions in the digital world. Thanks for watching.